What's going on? This is Alex Lebedo here. Thank you for watching this video, and I appreciate every person that watches this fully and benefits anything from this. Please subscribe because I'm giving you guys concrete information that will make you money. All right, so you not subscribing is losing you money, right? Look at it like that. There's no reason why you should subscribe, and I'm pressuring you that because it's the marketing. This is a marketing video, and that's what you have to do. You have to pressure people into purchase products, right? So subscribe right now, like this video. Hopefully you do enjoy, so that's not getting weird. If it's a bad video, dislike it, right? All right, so this is how to find 100% winners, 100K plus, right? By Alex Lebedo. Subscribe now. That's what. All right, so do not reinvent the wheel. Find as many general stores on Facebook as possible and put them in an Excel sheet. You're going to want to qualify each general store so you don't have a bunch of shitty general stores that you're spying on. You want to have quality general stores so you're testing quality products that are going to give you the best chance of making money. So second, you're going to want to go to each of those Facebook pages, their info and ads, and you're going to want to go through each ad and see which one's making the most money, and you're going to test which ones are doing well, and you're going to want to see if it's already scaled too much, where it's already, they've already made hundreds of thousands of dollars or $50,000, then that's going to be up to you. Maybe you want to test only products that are just starting to do well, or you want to test products that are previously have done well and you want to start advertising to that market again, right? So do research on the products, okay? And I'm going to show you what I do. Click on the ads and go to their website, add the product to your cart. So Facebook says, oh wow, this guy added it to cart, let's show him this ad again, and let's start showing him more ads of products like this on general stores because he likes to buy shit like that. So your newsfeed will start to show you more products like general dropshipping products where you can find winners faster, okay? All makes sense. This is simple. Anybody can do it, right? So what you need to do first is find a general store, right? So you're going to go on to Facebook and type in that search bar, buy it now with quotations on it. You're going to find your first general store and you're going to go to the like. You're going to like this, and then general stores are going to pop up underneath. You're going to right click on the general store and open a link in new tab. Do that for as many general stores as possible and go to their website, which is right here, and you're going to download this Google plugin called SimilarWeb, and you're going to check how many visitors they have monthly. Some websites will not have any visitors, won't have enough information. That website isn't doing well, so that doesn't qualify as a product that you need to put in your Excel sheet to monitor daily. The more you look at ads, the better you'll be able to find winners. So this store has 450,000 monthly visitors, right? This qualifies as a good dropshipping store to spy on and see what they're testing, and you can test products that are doing well for them as well. So go back. This is a good store. You're doing product research, right? Go to their info and ads and go through each advertisement and do your research and see which ones are doing well. In order to do this is what I do. Anytime that it has a bit.ly link or a Google shortener link, I copy that, Control C, Control V, and add a plus to it, okay? So now this shows you how many link clicks this advertisement has. And you're going to be able to find out roughly how much money this advertisement made. You're going to do this by 1,400, so let's say 1,500 link clicks. They have 1,500 view contents. 1,500 people clicked that advertisement. And let's say the average general store conversion rate is 2%. So you're going to times that by 0.02. The conversion rate means how many people actually purchase. So if it's 2%, 2 out of 100 people purchase, right? So 300 people purchased out of 1,500, right? And you're going to see how much that product is, which is $64. You're going to multiply that 300 by 64, which is going to get their revenue, $19,200 in revenue, right? And how do you find out how much profit they made? The profit margin in drop shipping or Facebook ads is usually 20%. So times that by 0.2, and they did roughly $4,000 in profit. Now, I'm not sure if, oh yes, you can see when they started this advertisement, right? Which is July 25th, and so they ran it all through August. So they weren't running a lot of traffic to this product, but they were doing small budgets that were giving them a good return, right? They weren't blasting it, spending $1,000 a day on this. They were spending little amounts, but they were profiting, right? And that's all that matters. If you're profiting a little bit, keep it going. So they're just going to keep on running this, and it's going to still make them money. I don't know how much money it's making them a day. You can find that out if you really do more research, but that's not what I wanted to show you. So lasers right here. This is the big winner that they have. So you're going to run into some stuff like this where you're going to be like, oh, maybe I should test that. And this product is crazy because it has insane margins on it. So they have 324,000 link clicks. And let's do the math here. 324,000 times 0.02 gives you their conversion rate. 6,400 people purchased, right? And you're going to see how much that product is. It's $194. I'm not sure how much they're getting the product for, but we're still going to do it the simple way to see roughly how much they made. Times that by $194. And then you're going to do their profit margin, which is 20% times 0.2, which is 250,000 roughly, minus 50,000, add 50,000. I don't know, but you can see that this is a winning product that has been killing it for them. And there's okay, so they pushed a bunch of traffic for I think like a month, and then they started lowering the budgets, but it's still making them profit every single day. And stuff like this you should absolutely test, but I don't know if you can find this product on AliExpress. That's where you are an entrepreneur and you find out how to get this product on your website and how to sell it. Okay, that's basically it. You're going to do this. You're going to add a bunch of general stores to an Excel sheet with their Facebook page, and you're going to monitor and see how many products they upload a day, and you're going to go to their ads and see what products are winning. This is extremely valuable information. Hopefully I gave you some knowledge that will be able to make you more money in the future. Please, I just started out my YouTube channel. Subscribe, comment any questions that you want. I'm going to be posting every single day. So every single day you should be on your grind trying to make more money online so you can quit your job. Thank you so much, guys. It's Alex Abedo. I'm out.